I can smile again. Wow. Oh my God. Oh, they actually look like my teeth. Like my teeth used to look. I mean, that's just amazing. How about kissing? Is that different too? Wow. I researched a lot. I didn't visit anybody else, but I researched the heck out of it. And then I met Dr. Paul, and I'm like, hey, he seems to know what's going on. Wow. I mean, that is life-changing. You know how long it's been since I've been able to do that? Wow. They're so perfect. I mean, my original teeth were never this perfect. Wow. And I can't really tell. You know what I mean? That's what's so amazing about it, you know? But when Dr. Paul explained to me about the ceramic and the difference in ceramic to the other compounds that are used, that's really what sold me. And I'm not talking that bad. I get that all worked out. I mean, it's amazing. I mean, I thought, you know, at least one of those pins wouldn't line up or something, you know what I mean? It's unbelievable. Every penny. I wish I'd have done it a long time ago. Wow. It's incredible.